Hello everybody! This video is about how to enter Windows 10 Recover environment and the opportunities you have with this environment. Recover environment is a means to eliminate main errors causing failure to boot the operating system, reset the system, recover Windows with the restore point or a system image, start the command prompt, and so on. You can enter this environment in several ways. The first way is to go there from Windows. To do it, go to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, and find the section Advanced Startup to click on Restart Now. The second way is to click on Power and then on Restart while holding down the Shift key when you are shown the window where you need to enter your password. The first and second ways are good only if you can enter the system. But if you cannot enter Windows because of an error or failure, you should use other methods. The third way is entering the recovery environment using a recovery drive. In my previous video, Resetting Windows 10 or 8 if the operating system won't boot, I showed how to create a recovery drive. You can find the link in the description. After you create such a drive, restart the computer and go to BIOS or UEFI to make it boot from a USB drive. Watch my video How to enter BIOS or UEFI, find the link in the description. After another restart, the recovery environment will be launched. The fourth way is entering the recovery environment using a boot disk or USB drive. You can find detailed instruction on creating such drive in my previous video Creating a bootable USB drive. You can find the link in the description. After that, use BIOS or UEFI to make the computer boot from a disk or USB drive. After booting, select the language you need and keyboard layout. Click Next and then System Recovery appears in the next window. The fifth method is simple. After 3 failed attempts to boot, the recovery environment starts automatically. If an error or failure prevents the operating system from booting, after 3 failures the recovery environment shows up. Now let's have a look at the functions available in the recovery environment. In the first window, you can click Next to enter and use Windows, or turn off the computer, or click on Troubleshooting, that is, go to the actual functions of the recovery environment. The first function is resetting the computer. Find more detailed information about it in my video Resetting Windows 10 or 8 if the operating system won't boot. By clicking on Advanced Options, you can see the list of all additional functions available in the recovery environment. System Restore, System Image Recovery, Startup Repair, Command Prompt, and Go back to the previous build. We discussed all these functions in our previous videos. You will find the links in the description. By clicking on Startup Settings, you can boot Windows in Safe Mode, switch to Low-Resolution Video Mode, disable driver signature enforcement, and so on. If you like this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more. We'll be glad to answer any questions in comments. Thank you for watching and good luck!